lost our phone, dude. Fucking lost my fucking phone. Oh my god, dude. 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 Oh, fuck, dude. Please tell me it's on the side of the road. I think I see it. Yes! 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 I found it! Yeah, dude! Woo! Yeah, dude! Found it! Woo! Thank you, God! We fucking found it, y'all! We need a new one. Go buy some merch. I need a new phone. I need a new phone anyway. Bro, on my crypto. Holy shit, dude. We got it, y'all. Yes! Garrett is probably like, where the fuck is he? Yeah, bud, thanks, man. Hell yeah, dude. We fucking found it, bro. I didn't do the rubber bands. I forgot to do my rubber bands. That was my fault. Now let's go see. Garrett's probably like, what the fuck, bro?